percentages don't have to be confusing. In this series, you'll learn simple, step-by-step methods to calculate them, on paper and in your spreadsheet.
Leah, I've got a budgeting problem. My weekly expenses are all over the place, and apparently I spend $132 just on takeout.
$132 a week? On takeout?
Let's focus on the math, please.
All right, let's figure out what percentage of your $783 weekly budget that actually is.
So, how do I find out what percentage $132 is out of $783?
It's simple. You divide the part, 132, by the whole, 783.
Let me try that. 132 divided by 783 gives me 0.1686.
Exactly. Now to turn that into a percentage, just multiply by 100.
0.1686 times 100 equals 16.86%.
That means $132 is about 16.86% of your total budget.
Yikes. That's a lot of pad thai.
Now let's do the same thing in your spreadsheet.
I'll put 132 in this cell and 783 in this cell. Perfect. Now in this cell, I divide... Got it. Now I just change the cell format to percentage and...
There you go. Same result, and the spreadsheet takes care of the formatting for you.
That was way easier than I expected.
Let's recap. First, to find what percentage one number is of another.
You divide the part by the whole.
Then multiply the result by 100 or just change the cell format to percentage.
And boom. I now know takeout takes up 16.86% of my budget.
Might be time to cook a little more, don't you think? Was that helpful? Give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you'd like to calculate next.
What if I reduce takeout to 10%? Would that save me enough for a weekend trip?
Stick around. We'll calculate that in the next video.
Next video? Wait, who are you talking to?